Hello everybody, this is Juan from Sentinel SN. Today I would like to present you guys another laminating machine, BM05. This machine is for tablets, and also for the cell phone. So, because normally the BM01, 2, 3, 4, we already explained to you guys just for cell phone, for maximum 7 inches. But this one is for cell phone and the tablet. So that's the first thing. Let's take a look at the overlook of this machine, the exterior part of this machine. So later we will open the back hood that's inside of this machine. Now this area is you can see the plate, also the button, emergency button, also the switch, power switch, the meters. Everything is not. Also here you can see they have a drawer here. You can leave the organ or something for working, just leave inside. So this one comes with you can leave on the floor. It's not like the previous one you have to put on the table. It's portable. And this one you leave on the floor. And here on this side of this machine, come this side, you can open. Let's open this hood. Let's open it. See here. We already have the vacuum pump pre-installed. You don't have to like the BM01 or 2. You have to buy the separate. You have to buy the vacuum pump like separately. Not buy, but it's already included. But it comes separately. But this one is already pre-installed. Here, this is the another tank for the air. Because as I explained to you guys, the previous model 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to have you have to connect with a compressor, but this one without compressor. So just with this pump and this tank, so no compressor at all. Now this is the oh, it's very oh my god, it's so tight. So this part just for the oil. For the vacuum pump oil. So this is the vacuum pump oil. So normally this one we cannot send it because for the transportation policy we cannot send the vacuum pump oil with this machine. So then you have to buy this one in your country. You can buy this vacuum pump oil in your country. If you cannot find this vacuum pump oil, you just can use the engine oil for your car, because I know in some countries, maybe in your country, the car is very common. So just get that oil for this vacuum pump. So just pour inside from here, this yellow part. So you can see here is the window, but you cannot see because here's a window. So just you can see the minimum and the maximum. Okay. Let's pour a little bit inside. Okay. Okay, let's close it. So here's the power cable just connected to switch, and this is the off and on, just the switch it on. So very easy. So here I'm gonna get wait a second, I'm gonna get a chair. So let's see how it works. So this is the power switch to switch it on. Wait a second, system. So now this you can see like manual, so automatic, just to choose the automatic. Normally we just choose the automatic. So you have less buttons here because this machine, the setting, almost everything is on this panel. So this is the pressure. I don't want to spend time like explaining to you guys about the pressure, because this one is for tablets and also for the cell phone. For the organ and LCD, for the glass and LCD, the pressure is different. And also for the flat screen, for example, iPhone, and also for curved screens like a 6 edge, 7 edge, and also for the I mean for the pad, for the tablet, all the pressure is different. So it's gonna be like tons of the numbers that we have to remember. So, but don't worry about them. I'm gonna make a list for you. As soon as if you buy this machine, you're gonna receive a list with all the pressures for Olga, for LCD, for screen, for LC, for screen, for the glass, and also for tablet, for cell phone. It's all different. So we're gonna explain to you guys. Don't worry about that. The rest of it is like the same. For example, wind speed 2, wind speed 1 is stronger. Now this is wind speed 2. This lamp you can see here is the lamp. You can see like for example the glass, the dust on it or not dust on it. About here you can see the temperature is always 50 degree. 50 degree. You don't have to set it. The holding means the because these upper parts and also this part. For example, this part is for the cell phone. So you put your cell phone, you put glass on it, the Olga on it. Then you have like, I don't know if you see our previous videos. First you're gonna put Olga, then you're gonna put a mold for the glass, or the glass on the top. So put inside, the holding time means the hot plate comes down, just hold the glass with the Olga. So this time is the holding time. For example, now let's take a test, okay? For example, I don't put any mode here. So for example, now firstly I'm gonna get the cell phone mode. Just give me a second. Okay, for example, this is the 1S7H mode for curve. So I'm gonna just give you show you how it works. So this is the rubber base. Just put it here. So you know this is this is for Olga. Just put Olga on it, Olga film on it. And you just apply the Olga here. So this is gonna be the Olga on it. Just peel it off. So here put glass on it. It's just so later I use the real glass and the Olga to explain to you. Now I just explain to you the machine. So now, for example, it's already glass on that, and also the glass and Olga on it. So I'm gonna press here. So it's automatic. Just wait a second. You can see the pressure and everything is on it. Now the vacuum pump is minus 101.3. Temperature 54. Okay, just wait a second. First, they just take out the air. It's like suction. So later is a holding time. Holding time is as I explained to you guys, is like laminating. The time for laminating. Because this machine, there is the upper hot plate, so the temperature is like 50 degrees. So later down there is like a glass. The first layer is glass. Down there is like Olga. So hold it means for example, it's like holding. So this is the holding time means on this English. Okay, now see, because this is just I don't use the glass. Just explaining to you guys, we can use this one for cell phone. So later we're gonna have the real Olga glass for this. Okay, so now we take off. I'm gonna find my excuse me. This one because I can take this off. I'm gonna take this off. Okay. Now this one you can take it off. You can take this off. I'm gonna bring the just give me a second. You can take this off. Excuse me. Okay. because this is just the okay. I'm gonna get the excuse me, I'm gonna get the mold for the okay. I've already took these parts, the mold for the base for the cell phone. We already took this part off, so now this is the rubber and also the laminated mold for the for this is for iPad Air. Check. So this is the mold for iPad Air. You just put on it. So first thing you have to you see this is the I mean the shining parts is for Olga. So just put it inside. Just like for cell phone, it's not like a new thing. It's not a new thing. Check. Just make sure all the corner. So if you have an Olga, just put the Olga on it. Because the size is just exactly the size of this one. Put Olga on it, peel it off. Then you're gonna have a glass. You're gonna have a glass for the for this iPad Air. You put a glass on it. Then you just press. See? Now I just want to show you guys, because now we don't have a glass and Olga on it, so just want to show you guys this emergency. Just reset. That's it. So for the LCD, you just change the mode. For example, just take this off. Just have this mode. Just have this mode. This is for LCD. For example, just put LCD. The screen on it, then you have put the glass already has Olga pre-installed. Then just peel off the film, just put the glass on it, then you just press the button. So this is the for the laminating, for the LCD laminating. Okay everybody, so so this one is for tablet and the cell phone. So just like the previous one, this one, this is the this one is just for cell phone. This one is just for cell phone. And this one is for cell phone and tablet. So this one is BM03, this is BM05. So when you choose the machine, you have to know what you need. For example, you just need for cell phone. You don't have to buy this machine, because this machine is for cell phone and tablets. Or if you think I also have the order for the tablets, so it's better buy this one, because this one works for cell phone and the tablet. If you have any questions, just let me know. And if you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. And you know I can make video for you. So just tell me what you need and what you want to know. So I will plan my time to make video for you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day or have a good night. Bye.